Follow these steps to enable two-factor authentication on Discord mobile. First, launch your Discord app, navigate to the U page, click on the gear icon given at the top right. Now head over to the option account. Now scroll down, click on the option Enable Authenticator app, click on Next. Before proceeding, make sure you have already downloaded Authenticator app. If not, you'll need to download one. Then click on Next. Now you'll need to copy this setup key, then close this. Launch your Authenticator app. Now click on this plus option. Select the option Enter a setup key. Paste that copied key over here. Then give it a name as Discord. Click on Add. Now you'll get this code. Close this. Remember this code. Launch your Discord app. Click on Next. Paste that code over here. That's it. You have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on a Discord account. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.